So in this Swagbucks tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to make real money by playing Jackpot Nights here on Swagbucks. So once the Swagbucks app is opened up in the bottom left between surveys and home, I want you to press on games and then press on get started. It'll then redirect you to a new screen right here where you're going to be on the games tab right here. Now for me, under most popular, the second option down is earn up to 51,000 swag bucks. And that of course is by playing Jackpot Nights. If it's not there for you, go to the top to where it says most popular, go to where it says A to Z, and then you guys can find it that way under J. But if you guys want to go ahead and press on Jackpot Nights right here, how can you exactly earn money, earn real money? Well, first and foremost, you have to download the game. So go to the top, press on get now. Once the game is downloaded right here, which I'm going to go ahead and not verify my account, I'm going to exit out of here. I'll then go down just by installing the game. And if you were to go ahead and bet some coins, spend some money, etc., you can earn a variety of different swag bucks. Now, if that looks good to you, go ahead and play it. And basically, the more you play, if you guys were to go ahead and reach these goals, you can earn actual money and actual swag bucks and get gift cards because of that. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that is how to make real money by playing Jackpot Nights here on Swagbucks. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.